What's up guys, Spin05 here, and today I'm going to be showing you my turbo spoke I just got for my 13th birthday, which just passed. So yeah, here it is. This thing's pretty loud, but usually bottles are louder when I put them like in between here. So I'm going to be taking this for a spin, and yeah,
Check it out.
Check it out. And don't stop the recording until I get back. And say goodbye. So that is the noise maker from that thing. Yeah, I put the stickers back on backwards, but that's pretty much it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to Spin05. See you later.